on the right, the Boeing B-17G flying fortress named Sally B.
As long as you made it, I did call you on Facebook. I did reply, say yeah. I did behind the bush. Yeah.
They're filming.
Oh, he comes.
The B-17's history stems from a request from the then US Army Air Corps for a new multi-engine bomber. To go from design to first flight took under a year. The first prototype was destroyed in an accident, so the order went not to Boeing's new bomber, but to a Douglas design, the B-18. But a small number of prototype YB-17s were ordered nonetheless by the US Army Air Corps and used for developmental testing.
So I'm there for a week now, one on it now. Just get ready for training. Yeah, I'll go with it.
Meanwhile, our own Royal Air Force had requested 20 B-17C models in early 1940 due to the lack of four-engine heavy bombers at that time from British manufacturers. The first operation by the Fortress 1, as that version was known in RAF service, was carried out by number 90 Squadron to Wilhelmshaven on the 8th of July 1941. 8 of its B-17s had been lost by that September, and daylight raids were soon abandoned by RAF Bomber Command. No fewer than half of all number 90 Squadron's missions with the Fortress 1 were aborted without bombs being dropped. But that early, difficult operational experience with both the RAF and US Army Air Corps with the B-17 was to prove crucial. That hope would of course soon be proved wrong.
Yes, sir. You never will it? You got to. On the way over.
29. But of course, it's still as Sally B that this aircraft is best known.
They're going to be down that way, dude.